3M Clinpro Sealant, technique for sealing pits and fissures. Updated ADA and AAPD guidelines advocate for the use of sealants as a highly effective prevention tool. You can be confident using Clinpro Sealant. Over 15 years of clinical use. 3M's unique, patented color change technology. Clinpro Sealant goes on pink and cures white, so you can visualize placement. Plus, direct delivery syringe for easy placement. Flows easily into pits and fissures. Fewer occlusal adjustments than a filled sealant. Contains and releases fluoride. Bonds to enamel. Clinpro Sealant is designed for sealing the enamel pits and fissures of teeth to aid in prevention of caries. Select teeth and clean enamel. Isolate and air dry teeth. Etch enamel. Rinse and air dry. Apply sealant. Light cure. Wipe clean. 3M Clinpro Sealant. Proven performance, 15 years and counting.